1967 Ford F100. This thing is awesome. It really is. Lots of stuff has been done to it. There's all kinds of new parts, the paint, the tires, the AC, everything with this is just in really good shape. It's got a digital dash, it's got tilt steering wheel, it's got disc brakes. I mean, there has so much been done to us. You could not do this for what we're selling it for, and it would take double is what it would take to get that done. Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1967 Ford F100 custom cab, two-wheel drive, long bed, and it is just in magnificent shape. It is stunning. It really is. This blue, the paint job is so good with it. It's got the 352. It's got the automatic. It's got power steering, power brakes. It's got disc brakes up in the front. And if you look here, you got some American Racing rims and new tires. You got also the greatest thing about it, you don't need it right now, but it's got full working AC, and this one is priced to sell. It's got a tilt wheel. I mean, all the good stuff has been done to it. So obviously the long beds are not as sought after as the short beds, but that in mind, we sell a lot of the long beds. And this one is in such great shape, you are definitely getting a great deal. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on the test drive. Stay tuned. Just going around it about 10 feet. You see the thing shows so well. It's got a smooth bumper there in the rear, LED lights all the way around. You can just tell someone really put a lot of work and money and effort into this. LED on the front, and then look at the paint. I mean, that paint shows so well. It's got the two-tone, and this is kind of a silver. Now if we look here, there are a few little issues with the paint that I did find. That's right along here on this top side, and you know, it's not going to buff out, so that's just kind of there, but I got a little bit there. See what that little bit of a rattle, seems like it's coming from the exhaust. But look, I mean, even through here, it sounds great. But look, I mean, those panels are in such good shape. This side doesn't have it as much. And then through here, I mean, the seals for the window are all good. The window's in great shape. The top's in great shape. You can see all that. There's a little bit right there. A few little issues right there. You kind of see some of the original paint right under there, but it's got a new window seal for the windshield. And look at that, Arizona, but look, there's hardly any rock chips. Looks like it's almost new. It looks great. Ford F100 custom cab. And we get in here, American Racing rims. You got new tires on here, great tread. You got disc brakes in the front. And you see, they did a good job. Now the line fitment isn't perfect. It's a little bit off, but hey, we're not asking crazy money. This thing is really good shape. Again, these lines are off just a little bit, but hey, it's a truck. Look at that. All matching tires, and these are new tires, brand new. And you can see, great tread. Rims are in great shape. Drum on the rear. I love the smooth bumper. Exhaust cuts out right there. Got a really good sound to it. Good note. Again, all the rims are in good shape. here. Tires are in great shape. And get in here to the front one. All that's in good shape. Great shape. And you can even just see it through there. All in really, really good shape. Especially the undercarriage. Undercarriage will be at the end of this video as well. Let's get under the hood. There we go. Look at that. I mean, even under here on the hood has been done. AC's got new AC. See all through here. AVS2 from Edelbrock. All the steering, new power steering. I mean, just everything with it. They've gone through, they've done everything. So it is ready to go. Aluminum radiator, I mean, all the good stuff. This thing is set up. Oh yeah. Sounds great, runs great. Hood fitment's nice on it. The hood fitment's actually really good shape. Nice and even all throughout. And little, you know, it's not perfect. We go through here to try to show you exactly what they are. We have more than 300 photos on our website, so you can see those as well. This is a little scuffed up. You can either do the carpet on the outside, vinyl, you know, whatever you want to. Headliner's all been done. Seats are in great shape. There's no rips or tears. It does have a tilt steering column, Grant steering wheel, AC. Hey, the AC works great. It is, we'll put it on there, but don't need it. It's a little chilly for it. Oh yeah, blows cold, just what you want it to. It's a little too cold today. Turn the heat on just a little bit with that. Turn that off. See here, so we got wipers. Wipers work. All the lights work. Let's just go ahead and show you those real quick. So you got nice bright lights. You can actually see at night with them. And then you got also LED here in the rear, LED down there, and LED. All working, functioning the way they should. Turn signals work also. All working. We'll get over on this side. That's working. Digital gauges down here, right at break-in, but now the engine's already been through break-in. This is just for when the instrument cluster was changed. Obviously, it's not original or anything like that. I mean, yeah, everything's working great. Dash is in great shape. All that. Show you the bed. Door closes nice. That works. A couple little scuffs in here, but it's a truck. Look at it. I mean, it's all in good shape. Just down there, through there. A little dirty, but hey, thing's ready to go. Closes nice. Paint shows really well. And windows, yeah, really nice and smooth going up and down. Oh yeah, love the vent windows. Those are car light, so those could definitely be original. I don't think the front and rear are. But I mean, look, carpet's in great shape. Look at this. Bed is also in great shape here. This is coming down just a little bit, but look at that. Hey, really, really well done. It's great. Let's just go right into the test drive because this thing drives out so nice. Shuts nice. Hey, you want a good running truck with all the good stuff been done to it? This is it. You guys buckled in. let's get into this drive. Busy day today, that is for sure. Find the, there we go. Gotta find the gear. Drives out amazing. It shifts just the way that you want it to. It's actually comfortable. You know, you got tilt so you can adjust it to how you want it. Stops the brakes. When I first got in this and moved it around, I thought they were real wood. It stops so good. Yeah, I mean, it just runs out. It's got AC. All the suspension, steering components, you'll see in the undercarriage, all in great shape, all new. I mean, it really takes a lot to get a vehicle to this quality, and it's ready to go. This is one that you'll definitely want if you want it in your collection, because you had one before and it's like, hey, I used to have that truck. Or if you want one that you can literally just get into and enjoy and drive, this is one for you. We have more than 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. All right, guys, we were getting under this 1967 Ford F100. And if you look through here, it is in such good shape. That is because this is a locally Arizona truck its entire life. And that's why this is in just such good shape. You can see all of the bed sides on the inside are in great shape, no rot, no deterioration. The bed is in awesome shape. Dual exhaust, Ford 9-inch, 325 on your gear ratio for that. That is a single open diff. Look at that though. Those floor pans on the cab and the bed, it is just such good shape. You have your C6 transmission, you have your Ford 352, and aluminum radiator, electric fans, AC, power steering, power brakes, new shocks, disc brakes on the front. This thing is ready to go.